Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X550A. 58,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, Nightfall gray metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailer hitch. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt-and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. And a spacious glove box with under the hood. This Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles per gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.